Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim Gemini student offer without ID. So we have 5 steps. Let's start with the first one, which is to find the offer page. So you just have to search for the official Google Gemini student offer page or look for a link provided by your university or institution. So from there, just click on Get Started and take a note that a valid form of academic verification is required for all legitimate student discounts. So next is to start email verification. So this is just a primary bypass. So on the verification screen, just have to choose the option to verify using the school or email address, like for example, ending in edu. So if your email is recognized by the verification service, like the Sheer ID, you often won't need to upload a photo ID. Next is to upload alternative documentation. So if the email path fails, select upload documentation. So in this one, you can use a recent tuition receipt, enrollment letter, or a transcript that shows your name and an issue date within the last 90 days. So these documents are typically accepted in the place of a physical ID. Next is to submit details and wait. So just fill in all the required fields rather. So the name, the school name, the date of birth, and exactly as they appear on your uploaded document. Then just click submit and the document reviews can take up a few hours to a few business days. So you will receive an email once the verification is complete, and from then you can activate the offer. So once verified, just follow the link in your confirmation email to subscribe to Gemini and apply the student discount at checkout. So the discount is usually applied automatically after successful login with your verified Google account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!